Hello everybody! Please don't yell at me! Hello everybody! I hope that you are doing magical and well and everything's been good over the last fucking eon that I've been gone from YouTube. I gotta be honest with you guys, in case you don't know, at the end of the year last year, I was making a planner, which was super freaking cool, but things just got so busy and so overwhelming creating my first physical product, so I had to step away from the YouTube game for a minute so I wasn't cranking out just a bunch of pointless crap that no one cared about. So now, as you guys are all very well aware, we have a lot of time on our hands with the current situation going on. So I thought it would be a good time to jump back on, say hello, hopefully contribute to more of the high vibration side of YouTube. YouTube right now is just such a hot mess, and a lot of you guys have been asking where I've been, and I've been really hesitant to get back on because all of the virus stuff that started. I've also just been really active in participating in the Black Lives Matter movement, making sure that my voice is being heard and that people know that they are loved and accepted for who they are when they're in my space, and trying to eliminate people that are too close-minded to understand that. So it's just, there's a lot that's going on. You guys feel the energy, I know you do. But I want to thank you all so much for still watching, still engaging with my content, still reaching out on Instagram to make sure everything is okay. Everything is great. Things are just kind of a little bit different now. So I thought it would be fun to just do a quick little update for you. And then we'll jump back into some normal, fun, spiritual, hippie content per usual. But I haven't just sat and like chatted with the camera in, I mean, probably 6 months now. So I have to like put the training wheels back on, you know what I'm saying? So, is there anything, I did mention that I'm very active in the Black Lives Matter movement, but I want to really do my part with the reach that I have to make as big of a difference as I possibly can. I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to go about that yet, but I want to make it very abundantly clear that me and this channel is accepting of every and all person that walks this planet, unless you are like, you know, hating on another person or something like that. You know, I love everybody for who they are. I love my Black people. I love my Latin people. I am a Latin gal, so I love my Latin family. You know, I love everybody, and I just want everyone to feel loved and accepted in this space. And if you don't agree with that, I'm gonna need you to leave. I will not tolerate any hate, any discrimination, or anything of the sort on this channel or on any of my social media platforms. So I just want to make that very abundantly clear. If I do see any negative things from people, I will just be blocking you. I really don't have the time or the patience. There was a quote that went around that was really powerful, and it was, in the age of information, ignorance is a choice. So I just want to put that out there, make it very clear, because I have not been present on YouTube and I don't want to not use this space to voice that. So anyways, very important things happening, very heavy things happening, but this is our time, you guys, as spiritual people, as healers, to show up in this world and not spiritual bypass these problems. There are real big problems that need more than love and light and good energy to be fixed. We need to address things head on. We need to get uncomfortable. We need to speak up, and I just want to help open that Pandora's box, if you will, and let everybody know that you are seen, you are heard, and I love you so much. So with that all being said, I'm like, what do I even have to update you guys on? There's really nothing more important than that right now. I do want to run through a quick little spiel of things, of updates for you, I guess. If you haven't been to my website recently, Taylluna.com, I am in the process of completely making it all over. So if you want to go and check it out and let me know what you think, or if it's easy to navigate, or if there's something that you think I should work on, please let me know. All feedback is appreciated. But I am really excited about it. I have a lot of my older courses that you guys know and love that are being revamped into something new and more powerful and more beautiful. beautiful. My Moonchild Tribe course is turning into Inner Moonchild. I have my Reiki course going. Also going to be revisiting all of my anxiety content. So that is coming. It's very needed right now with everything going on and the Reiki. If you're not Reiki attuned yet, please go check that out. We need more Reiki healers right now. So yeah, all of that's on my website. The only other thing that's super exciting and in the works right now is my friend Haley and I, who you guys know if you've been following me anywhere. She's my sidekick. Haley and I are in the process of making our very own Oracle deck, and I am freaking over the moon excited about it. Now that I have one physical product under my belt, I feel a lot more confident in kind of exploring all of the other opportunities that are out there. So I'm really excited. We have completed, there's going to be 44 cards in the deck, and we have completed all of the cards. We're just finishing up the little guidebook that will come with it. So I will be ordering our sample very soon. If you want to sign up for the wait list, I will leave the link below. Pre-sales will be opening, I think, July 18th. Don't quote me on that. We decided together. I wrote it down somewhere, but I don't remember. So anyway, yeah, I will put the waitlist link below. If you sign up for the waitlist, I will email you all of the pre-sale information as soon as it launches. So you'll be the first to get it and everybody else will get it later. But I'm really, really excited. I've been working so hard on this. If you guys follow all of my other business ventures that I have going on, I used to teach yoga and do photography, aerial photography to be specific, and that's been really difficult with this whole Rona situation happening. So instead of not creating content, I have been repurposing my old photography, doing some very fun, intuitive digital collage edits on Photoshop. So you can check all of those out on our Inner Light Tribe Instagram page. I will leave it below. So yeah, I'm also offering fun, intuitive edits for your photos. I did a whole series with your natal chart behind you. So there's a lot of different, you know, fun things you can do with that. I'm going to be doing a spirit animal series and all kinds of fun things. So I'm really excited about that. If you want to get involved, just DM me on any of our Instagram accounts and I will get your photo edited, girl. I think that's all of my updates for now, you guys. I'm sorry that this isn't like the most entertaining video. I was gonna do a really fun room tour update, but I felt that it was more important to address the things that need to be addressed, and then we can hop back into that stuff later. Probably not gonna edit this one very crazy too. Oh yeah, and I also redecorated my office. My sacred space is completely different now. So I will be doing a video on that very, very soon, and just so many things. I miss you guys like freaking crazy. Please, in the comments, tell me how you are, how you're doing. I miss you. I miss talking to you and commenting back and forth with you guys. So yeah, reach out on Instagram. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for always being there and for supporting my channel even when I need to step away. I promise I will not leave for this length of time again. It has been driving me crazy. So I'm back and I have a lot of content that I'm gonna be popping out that has been filmed and just not edited or touched or anything. So it will be coming. Okay, I'm gonna stop word vomiting. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video for something more fun. We'll see what it is. Bye guys. Mwah.